Alright guys, we're doing a race to dock. We have the Shark AI, Trifo Lucy Pet, deebot N8 Plus, Roomba i6 Plus, proscenic M7 Pro. Let's go ahead and send it to home and see who wins.
Going back to the charging station.
Locating. Please wait.
Start recharging.
Locating successful. Returning to charge.
I'm very curious who will win, because I've done so many races and the proscenic has won every single time. But none of them seem to know what they're doing. Maybe got some of them figuring it out. The Lucy seems to go a little bit and spins, and the Shark AI knows exactly where it's going. The Shark IQ would just be going everywhere. I would have no idea. And up close behind it is the proscenic, then the Lucy, and then the deebot and Roomba don't know what they're doing. Are we finally getting a new champion? The proscenic, as I said, it would win every single time. It's close. I am impressed. There's finally someone that has beat the proscenic M7 Pro. Because if you've seen my previous videos, we'll know the proscenic has won every single time. Lucy's still thinking about it. Roomba's on its way. And this deebot has no idea. I thought the deebot would do a lot better. But it can still beat the Lucy. The Lucy hasn't even found it yet. The Shark AI has to be my new favorite. These are not favorite to least favorite. Proscenic is only because that one needs updates. These two have no idea what they're doing. The deebot kinda knows, but it keeps running off. When Lucy is still thinking. It's like, I might know, but I don't know. This one I think is gonna self-empty when it docks. This one self-empties almost every time. Yep. There's the Roomba. Thought those two would do a lot better. Lucy just gave up. Let's put her back where we started her. So we go right here.
Going back to the charging station.
Let's go ahead and restart the deebot.
Recharge canceled. Locating. Please wait.
That should help those two out.
Locating successful. Returning to
I thought the Shark was gonna get like third or second place. I was not expecting it to beat the proscenic. Are these two doing any better this time? Come on, deebot. You know where your charger is. I'm about to just put these things on top of their docks and that's it. At least he's doing so much better. Meanwhile, these guys are just gonna... These things have been sitting here for like a couple minutes now. And these two are just... Don't know. Like... I really thought the deebot mostly was gonna do really good. Does a great job cleaning and it finds it almost every single time. This one must be lost, or it must not know where the charger is or something. Because it is right before I picked these guys up, they did say this one did say locating successful, and it knows where it is. That's what the dock is. I don't know what's in here. I didn't include those guys just because they're random. Here's the Lucy. I'm gonna grab the deebot one more time. And, oh my god.
Recharge canceled.
Good, because you did horrible. That's the entire area to itself. Nothing should be confusing it.
Locating. Please wait.
And that's where the charger is.
Locating successful. Returning to charge.
If you know where you are, then why aren't you docking properly? See, you're going the wrong way again. Wasn't expecting this, guys. It's somewhat going the right way. Come on, dude. No, I'm just gonna set it on the dock myself because I'm not gonna wait for this thing to. I'm not gonna wait for it to find it itself. Shut up. And the Lucy just gave up again. These two should be embarrassed. I wasn't expecting this in the Lucy. So, sadly, I'm actually gonna say the Lucy beat the deebot because it got closer to the dock than the deebot ever did. The deebot didn't even get close.
Charging.
So that's about it. I have a new robot coming, and probably by the time I have this video posted and up, and if I decide to do it as a premiere, will probably be shipped. So I'll have that video up soon. Well, I haven't even ordered it yet, but I'm in a bidding war for it. But I'll see you guys in the next one, and stay safe out there. Bye.